मडगांव बॉम्बस्फोट प्रकरणाची फुडली सुनावणी आता 26 जूनाक जातली। शुक्रारा दीस बॉम्बस्फोट प्रकरणाचो चौकशी अधिकारी पुलीस उपअधीक्षक बोशूट सिल्वाची जबानी घेतली। 2009 वर्सा दिवाळीच्या आदल्या दिसा मडगांवां नरकासूर स्पर्धा चालू असताना हो बॉम्बस्फोट जाल्लो। ह्या प्रकरणात NIAन 11 जाणांआड आरोपपत्र दाखल केलां। आता मेरेन 100 वयर साक्षीदारांची जबानी ह्या केशीत घेतल्या। ही केस सध्या मडगांवच्या जिल्लो सत्र न्यायालयात चलता।
पयली फाटी हांगा मडगांव डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्टाक स्पेशल जज सावयकारा मुखार आज आयिल्ली मॅटर आनीक DYSP सिल्वा आज विटनस बॉक्सान आशिल्ले। तांणी पार्टली तांची चीफ रिकॉर्ड जाला आनीक ड्यू टू वॉन्ट ऑफ टायम फुडली फाटी एडजन जाला। 26 तारखेक मॅटर परती आसा। 26 तारखेक तांचे पयली कंटिन्यूड चीफ आनी क्रॉस जातले आनी 26 तारखेक देवेंदर सिंग म्हणून जो NIAचो विटनस आसा पुलीस ऑफिसर ताकाय बी समन केला। सो दोनी दीस वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग जी फुडली डेट आसा 26 तारखेक ते दीस ह्या दोनी विटनस कंप्लीट जातले।
Now has been transferred to Margaon. Mr. Judge Savikar has been appointed as the special judge in this case. So today I have examined one witness. He is a part IO, Mr. De Silva. He has conducted several panchanamas and interrogated several witnesses, recorded a statement, and partly his evidence is completed.
भारतीय फुटबॉलाचो येता तो सीझन खेळाची दिशा थारावपाच्या नदरेन म्हत्वाचो थारतलो अशी चिन्ह आसा। ऑल इंडिया फेडरेशनान काही येवजण्यो आखल्यात, पूण अजून मेरेन आय लीग क्लबांक ह्यो मान्य नात। AIFF आनी क्लबांनी एकठांय येवन हे प्रश्न सोडोवचे पडटले आनी तेन्नाच भारतीय फुटबॉलाचे भवितव्य थारतले अशें धेंपो स्पोर्ट्स क्लबाचो संचालक श्रीनिवास धेंपोक दिसता।
It's going to be a very interesting year. Lot of changes in the club, lot of changes being proposed in Indian football. As you said, relooking at the revenue model, because we can't go endlessly like this spending this kind of money. Money always has an opportunity cost. Whether if it's not football, we can do something very relevant in education, we can do something very relevant in health. So anything has to be self-sustaining.
There is an impasse between the I-League clubs and the AIFF over various issues to name, like the IMG Reliance suggested IPL kind of tournament, then the conference model that has been suggested for the for the I-League format. So what is the way forward for this clubs versus AIFF?
I think speaking from a club's perspective, yes, there are certain challenges. But I think one has to realize that every model that is proposed will always come with its pros and cons. I think the most important thing is, as you said right now, is to break that impasse, sit with AIFF, the AIFF sitting with the clubs and the clubs sitting with AIFF, drawing very clear-cut the list of challenges that we as clubs face. And I think on the AIFF side, it is their then responsibility to see that the club's concerns and issues are addressed. And both should move ahead. But I think something has to happen in Indian football. Otherwise, you'll see a few wickets going down more in the next few years, because we've seen the result of very prominent clubs like JCT and Mahindras, who are one of the topmost industrialists in the country, and there may be valid reasons why they closed down. And
as far as Dempo Sports Club is concerned, what's your approach towards the IPL kind of league?
I am not strictly against the IPL kind of league, but there are issues. There are issues on the calendar. There are issues on how many breaks the players are going to get. One is we are talking about sending them for India tournaments. That is going to be one break. Then the Reliance is going to be another break. Then we are going to pay our players for an X amount of months.
इतल्याने खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता। पळयत रावत प्रुडंट। नमस्कार।
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.